In an industry where expectations often outpace reality, Solstice Marketing Consultants has built its reputation on a different foundation. The firm places trust, clarity, and structured communication at the center of every client relationship. From the first interaction to long-term engagement, the company focuses on guiding clients through a process that is both transparent and grounded in realistic outcomes. With more than 2 decades of experience across web design and digital marketing, Solstice approaches each client relationship with a clear objective. The goal is not only to deliver results, but to ensure that clients understand how those results are achieved and what they can expect along the way. This emphasis on transparency shapes every part of the organization, from onboarding to ongoing communication and long-term support. Trust at Solstice begins before any formal agreement is signed. The company places a strong emphasis on identifying the right client fit early in the process. Rather than accepting every inquiry, the team evaluates whether expectations, timelines, and goals align with what can realistically be delivered. This early stage is not treated as a sales opportunity. It is framed as a mutual evaluation. Clients are encouraged to ask questions, share concerns, and outline their objectives in detail. The team, in turn, provides clear insight into what is feasible and what may require adjustment. This approach helps prevent one of the most common issues in marketing relationships. Misaligned expectations often lead to frustration. By addressing those expectations up front, Solstice reduces the likelihood of future misunderstandings. The company also uses this stage to educate clients. Many businesses enter digital marketing with limited knowledge of timelines, performance variables, and the work required behind the scenes. Solstice views education as part of its responsibility, not an optional add-on. Once a client is brought into the program, the onboarding process serves as the foundation for the entire relationship. Solstice treats onboarding as more than administrative setup. It is a critical phase that establishes clarity, direction, and accountability. The process typically begins with a detailed discovery phase. During this stage, the team gathers information about the client's business, industry, target audience, and existing digital presence. This information is used to build a clear starting point. From there, the company outlines a roadmap. This includes defined goals, timelines, and the specific services that will be delivered. Clients are not left guessing about what happens next. Each step is explained in practical terms. The onboarding phase also introduces communication expectations. Clients are informed about how often they will receive updates, who their primary point of contact will be, and how progress will be tracked. This level of structure provides immediate reassurance. Clients understand that there is a system in place and that their project is being handled with intention rather than improvisation. One of the defining characteristics of Solstice Marketing Consultants is its approach to expectation setting. The company does not rely on optimistic projections or vague promises. Instead, it focuses on realistic timelines and measurable progress. This becomes especially important when clients enter the relationship with expectations shaped by external sources. Digital marketing is often presented as a quick solution, but meaningful results require time and consistency. Solstice addresses this directly. When timelines need to be adjusted or expectations require recalibration, the team communicates this clearly. The goal is not to diminish client enthusiasm, but to align it with what can actually be achieved. This approach reflects a broader philosophy. Transparency is not limited to positive updates. It also includes difficult conversations. By maintaining honesty throughout the process, the company reinforces trust even when progress takes longer than anticipated. Consistent communication is a central part of how Solstice maintains strong client relationships. The company recognizes that uncertainty often leads to frustration. Regular updates help eliminate that uncertainty. Clients receive ongoing communication that outlines progress, challenges, and next steps. These updates are structured and easy to understand. The focus is on providing clear information rather than overwhelming clients with technical details. The team also encourages two-way communication. Clients are not passive recipients of information. They are active participants in the process. This creates a collaborative environment where feedback is welcomed and adjustments can be made in real time. This communication model supports long-term relationships. Clients feel informed and involved, which strengthens their confidence in the process. Solstice works with businesses at different stages of growth and with varying levels of experience in digital marketing. The company recognizes that a one-size approach does not meet the needs of every client. Services are tailored based on the client's level of familiarity and specific goals. For some clients, this may involve more guidance and education. For others, the focus may be on execution and refinement. This flexibility is supported by a team of specialists in web design, social media, and digital strategy. Each professional brings a specific area of expertise, allowing the company to provide comprehensive support. Behind the client-facing experience is a set of internal systems designed to maintain organization and consistency. These systems help the team manage multiple projects while ensuring that each client receives the same level of attention. Processes are in place to track progress, manage timelines, and coordinate communication. This structure allows the company to scale without compromising quality. Clients benefit from this organization. Updates are delivered on time, milestones are tracked accurately, and projects move forward in a predictable manner. These systems also support accountability. Both the team and the client have a clear understanding of what has been completed and what remains ahead. While performance metrics remain an important part of digital marketing, Solstice takes a broader view of client satisfaction. Success is not defined solely by numbers. The company evaluates satisfaction through ongoing feedback, client engagement, and the overall quality of the working relationship. This includes how comfortable clients feel with the process and how confident they are in the direction of their project. By focusing on these factors, Solstice maintains a more complete understanding of success. Performance results matter, but they are part of a larger picture that includes trust, communication, and long-term value. The client journey at Solstice is designed to be clear from start to finish. Each phase builds on the previous one, creating a consistent and structured experience. After onboarding, the focus shifts to execution. Strategies are implemented, and progress is monitored closely. Clients are kept informed through regular updates. As the project evolves, adjustments are made based on performance and feedback. This iterative approach allows the company to refine its strategy while maintaining alignment with client goals. The relationship does not end with initial results. Solstice emphasizes ongoing support, helping clients adapt to changes and continue building their digital presence over time. No marketing effort is without challenges. Solstice approaches these situations with the same level of transparency that defines its overall process. When obstacles arise, the team communicates them clearly. Clients are informed about what has changed, why it matters, and how the company plans to respond. This approach prevents uncertainty from becoming a larger issue. Clients are not left wondering what is happening behind the scenes. By addressing challenges directly, Solstice maintains trust even in difficult situations. The focus remains on problem solving and forward progress. As the company continues to grow, its focus remains on improving the client experience. This includes refining processes, enhancing communication, and finding new ways to support clients at every stage of their journey. The team views this as an ongoing effort. Client expectations evolve, and the company adapts to meet those changes while maintaining its core principles. This commitment reflects a broader understanding of what clients value. Trust is not built through a single interaction. It is developed over time through consistent actions and clear communication. Solstice Marketing Consultants has established a model that prioritizes clarity, structure, and client-centered processes. By focusing on transparency from the very beginning, the company creates an environment where clients feel informed and supported. Each stage of the relationship is designed to reinforce trust. From onboarding to ongoing communication, the emphasis remains on providing clear guidance and realistic expectations. This approach sets the company apart in a space where uncertainty is often common. Clients are not left guessing about timelines or outcomes. They are guided through a process that is both structured and adaptable. In the end, the strength of Solstice lies in its ability to maintain consistency. By aligning its internal systems with its client-facing practices, the company delivers an experience that is reliable and grounded in trust.